Storybox Audio.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Let's unbox this. The Stanley Quencher Frosted Tumbler. Okay, so I ordered this from a page, and the box looks like this. It's written attached shipping label here. Stanley Lilac. By the way, this is the color lilac. Lilac is a shade of brown, not brown, purple. So the Stanley. Wow, it even has a manual. This must be a very special cup. Huh? Special cup. Where is English? Do not overfill with hot liquid. Do not fill beyond. Okay. Do not use in the microwave or oven. Doing so will damage the appliance. Best results: preheat or pre-cool by filling with hot tap water or cold water. Okay. This is just some instructions. So we have a straw. And yay! Look at that. Look at how cute it is. The Stanley. It's about to be lit over here. So the capacity, by the way, this one, it keeps, if you put cold things, it will keep it cold. Even if the sun comes out and it's so hot and it's in the car, you'll find it cold. And also, it keeps hours cold is 11, days iced, hours hot is 7. Okay, but me, I'll just be using it for water, normal temperature water. Yeah, so let's open. It's very, very nicely insulated inside, and the lid is like this. So I think you have to remove this. No, the straw goes here. This one is not detachable. Oh, is it? Or you can close it like this there and then open like this. So the straw will go it's such a big straw there. See? Ciao. Good afternoon. I want to take this collagen and I will take it with this passion juice. I made this passion juice the other day. Still recovering from a flu. The other day when I was making fresh juice. If you do not watch that video, please go back and watch. It's a very good video. Just showing you that you can take healthy juice at home without buying those juices from the supermarkets that are full of sugar. Sugar. So good. I love it. So I want us to do a quick haul of some things that I got yesterday. So the stuff are over here. I bought yesterday. I was so tired. I left it in the boot, and after I came from the truck, this is for the children. Side milk, so that they can take after school. Then there is Royco over here, and then this is soy sauce light, this is a herbal mix seasoning, and this is chili sauce. I really love this chili sauce. Now what do we have here? I think these are avocados, the Hass avocados, and this should be tomatoes. Yep, tomatoes. Broadways, the white one. Put it there. Then we have these snacks for the children. How many should they be? 4 for the week. Okay, take your snacks, guys. And then pasta. And then we have sugar. And then we have maize flour, maize flour, and then we have pomegranate juice. Now I wanted cranberry juice, but I didn't get cranberry. I don't know why cranberry is out of stock, huh? So I had to buy this. They didn't have cranberry pure, but this is cranberry and pomegranate. I always trust Ocean Spray or this company for the cranberry juices that I buy. And then I decided to try this one. I know this is just fake, the written cranberry, but I know it's just fake as fake. But we'll just try it. So we have ketchup, tomato paste, butter, earbuds, coconut cream powder. So that's that for that bag. Tissues. I just walked to the supermarket and I saw they were on offer. So I bought 4 10-pack. Yeah, 4 10-packs of velvet. I love how soft they are. Yes. Next we have Rani Basmati. It was also on offer. And then I also bought bleach, Sufficient. And then I also bought sunlight for the washing machine. Let me bring the other one. This area for the washing machine. So these two are for the washing machine. And then hand wash, Msafi. And then this one for cleaning the bathroom. Whoa. And then pads. So this is Cortex, and Cortex. All that. And then bar soap. Yeah. I think we are almost done. Let me show you my crates that I use when I go shopping. So this crate over here It's collapsible like this. See that? So when you don't have anything in the car, it doesn't occupy a lot of space. When you buy stuff, you just do this. That's so cute. So the other thing I bought is milk. Let me show you the milk. It's on this side. So we have 3 boxes. We have a Gold Crown. Then we have Brookside and Brookside. So this will last for a while before I need to buy more. So that's it for the haul today. Have a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you're watching me from. Ciao!